grew up with the sound of engines. I've never known anything else.
At the beginning of this film, Tom is a very sheltered character.
I thought you had plans to be an aviator.
History is more my thing. Tom has spent his entire life on London. He's got an admirable bravery that's kind of laying dormant.
Hey! Watch out! Stop! Tom!
But he's never set foot on the ground.
Wait! You shouldn't have followed me.
He's been dropped into this madness. I knew you wouldn't leave me.
Shut up and run.
It's not until he falls into this incredible adventure he can fully realize his dream.